After a wedding, your Ashoke wasn't sitting in your closet collecting dust. There are so many creative ways to repurpose or preserve it. Wondering how? Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we'll be talking about what to do with your Ashoke fabric after your wedding or after that occasion you used it for. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, please do so. Don't forget to like and share this video if you find it helpful. The first point we'll be noting today is preserve it. If you want to preserve your Ashoke after usage, if you want to keep it for as long as you want, that's totally fine. So Ashoke can be preserved for as long as you want. If you want to keep it for memory sake, that's okay. Just make sure you put it in a safe place, somewhere that is dry, neatly folded. It could be in your wardrobe, it could be in your box. Okay. And then some family pass it down from generation to generation, and mine is one of them. Let me bust your bubbles. This Ashoke was given to me by my paternal grandmother. Yes, and I have used it for two children. I usually use it as Oja. Oja it's called Oja in Yoruba. I don't know what they call it in English. I use it in backing my kids after having, can tell how old this Ashoke is, and still there's nothing wrong with it. It is still very good, and it's of a very good quality. And who knows, I might pass it down to my children also. So if you want to preserve yours as a family heirloom, put it properly in a dry, neat place, well folded. Nothing will happen to it so long you bought the right and good quality Ashoke. Okay, and I recommend, if you have a very good quality Ashoke and you think you want to pass it down to your children's children, that's okay. I highly recommend. Okay, the second point we'll be looking at is turning it into a quilt. Ashoke makes beautiful quilts because of its unique color combination. If you have multiple pieces of Ashoke, you can bring it together. You can mix colors. You can add different pieces together. You can stitch them together to create a stunning quilt filled with memories. It can be used as decorative item in your home. You can you can use it to design so that you will see that your fabric did not go to waste. Okay, instead of them sitting down in your wardrobe filled with instead of them sitting down in your wardrobe without usage, you bring out those soft Ashoke from your wardrobe. Use it to make beautiful throw pillows. In fact, you can combine different colors to elevate your space in your living room. It will elevate your space, it will beautify your home. In fact, by the time people see, they'll begin to ask you that, oh, where did you get this from? Not knowing that you combined all your Ashoke. In fact, you can pieces your Ashoke and intricate other colors. You can add colors. It mustn't be because your Ashoke is green, you have to make everywhere green. Maybe, oh, right now you are not a lover of green anymore. So you can even buy other pieces and add to it and just make it work, just make it look nice. And you can put it in between. All your throw pillows might not be Ashoke, but you can just put it maybe on every couch. You can add one piece of throw pillow Ashoke. All your throw pillows might not be Ashoke. You can just add one or two pieces of throw pillow, Ashoke, throw pillows made from Ashoke in between your throw pillows in your sitting room, and watch how beautiful it will turn out. You can also frame it. Yes, you can cut your Ashoke into pieces and use it for frames. You can frame it and put it in your living room, in your walkway. Third thing I would recommend to use your Ashoke for after your wedding or after your event is you can recycle and redesign your Ashoke. You don't have to leave that Ashoke untouched. You can redesign and repurpose it. You can turn your Iran buba into very beautiful short dresses, into skirts, into shorts, and pair it with. You can pair it into a short and wear it with a nice shirt. You can resize it and sew it into new outfit for your children's birthday. I think my daughter's first birthday, I converted one of my Ashoke into a short dress for her to use for birthday shoot. You can also turn your Ashoke. You can even take a piece from that Ashoke and combine with the raining fabrics to make different bubbles. You can make patch trousers with your old Ashoke. You can make patch trousers like all these the baggy trousers we make now and the rest of it. You can redesign your Ashoke, even if it's a long dress that is well embellished and all. You can take it to your tailor to resize it and cut it into a short dress, something that is not so regal, that you can always wear any Sunday, and you can even use it for another upcoming or another special event that you have. The next point we'll be looking at is how to use that your old Ashoke fabric to create fashion accessories. Ashoke is widely used to make fashion items such as bags, shoes, earrings, bangles, scarves, hairband. There are a whole lot of things you can use your Ashoke for. You won't believe how stunning these items will look by the time you bring out that your old Ashoke. There, I'm going to be attaching this to this video how I use Ashoke for bags, for shoes, and it turned out beautiful. So instead of storing fabrics away, why not turn it into stylish accessories? This is a sample of so many beautiful, other beautiful Ashoke palm or slide that were made from old Ashoke fabric. You can see how beautiful this slide looks, and this other one is Ashoke handbag, very beautiful and colorful. You can also make this from that your old Ashoke fabric in your wardrobe, sitting down doing nothing. Okay, and this one is a souvenir tote bag, made with old Ashoke fabric, and it was used as a souvenir for a birthday party. You won't believe this tote bag was made from previously used Ashoke fabric. Please bring out those Ashoke fabric from your wardrobe and make something beautiful for yourself. The last one we'll be talking about today is donate or sell it. Yes, you can donate your Ashoke instead of leaving it there lying and not being used. You can decide to um, donate it to somebody in need of it instead of keeping it and not using it. That Ashoke that you think is old might meet somebody at the point of their own needs. You can ask around who needs Ashoke, or if they want to convert, if they can convert your own old Ashoke into what they want to use it for, why not? They will thank you for it. Then you can also sell it. Yes, you can sell that your old Ashoke and make some money. We have some tailors, yes, some tailor, some photographers, some makeup artists. They buy this old Ashoke. Ask me what they use it for. Some of them use it for photo shoots, yes. Some of them use it for promotional shoots. Some of them use it for cultural events. And have you ever wondered in all these movies, all this Ashoke they wear? Do you think they sew it, they buy it and sew it all the time? No, they rent it. They have places they rent this Ashoke for. So you can ask around your own area if there's anyone that buys used Ashoke. I'm sure you definitely find one and come back and thank me for it. In conclusion, that shoki that has been lying in your wardrobe since 1990, bring it out and put it to good use. I hope you find this video very useful and thank you for watching till the end. Please, if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, kindly do so. Like and share this video to all your friends. Ask them to bring out that their older Shuki. See you in my next video. Bye.